Welcome back to the fourth demo video of LearntoBank. In this video, I'll guide you through the admin side of the platform. As an admin, you have full control to manage registered user accounts, set default data for new users, create and assign bills, and edit the content of the user-facing site using the content management system. Let's begin by exploring these powerful tools. To access the admin section, simply click on the admin link in the header. Once inside, you'll land on the admin dashboard, which defaults to the Accounts section. We'll start by looking at the Accounts section, which displays a table of all registered users. You can view key details such as the account name, total balance, and the last login date. Let's go over the main features and actions you can perform on this page. If you're looking for a specific user, you can easily use the search bar at the top right to filter the user list. By clicking on a user's name or balance, you can view detailed account information, including the balances of their individual accounts, such as their personal, savings, or credit account. Next to each user's balance, you'll notice an Add button. Clicking this allows you to directly deposit funds into any of the user's accounts, making it easy to adjust balances without needing the user to interact. Besides that, each row in the table has additional actions you can perform under the Action column. The pencil icon allows you to reset or change a user's password. Once updated, the user will be able to log in with their new credentials. And clicking on the trash icon allows you to permanently delete a user's account. When you click this icon, a confirmation modal will appear to ensure that you want to proceed with the deletion. Be aware that this action cannot be undone, although accounts that remain inactive for 10 weeks are automatically deleted. Next, let's move on to the Presets page. The Presets page allows you to manage the initial data that new users will start with, including accounts, transactions, and billers. Let's explore each of these sections. In the Accounts tab, you can create and modify different account types for new users. The three types currently available are personal, savings, and credit accounts, each with a different starting balance. To edit an account type, click the pencil icon again in the Action column and modify the account's starting balance. You can also remove any account type using the trash icon. If you want to add a new account type, click the Add button, select the account type, and set the starting balance. The Transactions tab lets you define default transactions that will appear on a user's transaction history upon registration. To add a new transaction, click the Add button again. Enter the recipient's name, the date issued, and the transaction amount. You can also mark transactions as negative to reflect payments made by the user. The pencil icon lets you modify existing transactions, while the trash icon deletes them. The Billers tab allows you to manage default billers. Each biller has a biller code, a biller name, and a saved status, which can be toggled to determine whether the biller appears as pre-saved for the user. To add a new biller, just click the Add button, enter the biller's information, and select whether to save it for future use. And you can also edit or delete existing billers using the corresponding icons. And next, we have the Bills section. This page provides a comprehensive overview of all upcoming and outstanding bills within the system. Each row represents a bill, and you'll find important details such as the biller name, the amount due, the due date, the preset status, and some actions that can be made to the bill. To dive deeper into the details of any bill, simply click anywhere on its respective row. This will take you to the Bill Details page, where you'll find all the necessary information of the bill. Additionally, you'll see a list of users who are assigned to this bill and their current payment status. If you want to adjust the preset status for a bill, simply click the toggle button here. This will either enable or disable the preset feature, depending on your preference. This feature allows you to configure whether a bill is automatically assigned to new users when they create an account. Just like how the Presets page lets you define default accounts, transactions, and saved billers for new users, enabling the status for a bill means that it will automatically be created and assigned to the user upon sign-up. Now let's explore the Assign User feature. If you need to assign this bill to new users, you can easily do so by clicking the Assign User button. From here, a list of all users in the system will be displayed. You can search for a user by their username or assign the bill to all users with a single click. Similarly, you can unassign users from the bill by clicking the Unassign User button, ensuring that only the relevant users are responsible for that particular payment. Lastly, let's look at how you can create a new bill. Clicking on the Add Bill button brings up the bill creation form. First, you'll need to select a biller from your saved billers. Then, you can enter the amount due, set the due date, and optionally provide a description for the bill. Once complete, you just hit Create Bill, and the new bill will be generated and can be assigned to users. And you can just click Back to return to the Admin Bills page. Finally, let's take a look at the Content Management System, which enables you to modify the content displayed on the user-facing pages of the LearntoBank platform. Each element of the page is tied to a unique key, allowing you to edit the text as required. As an example, we can see the key subtitle currently contains the text, "Simple and Modern Banking Simulator Made to Make Learning Easy." If we want to update this to a straightforward and modern banking experience, we simply modify the text, save the changes, and these updates will immediately be reflected on the homepage. Similarly, you can edit other key pieces of content by just clicking the Edit button, making the change, and saving it. Additionally, we have the flexibility to remove any content that is no longer needed by clicking the Delete icon. One more useful feature is that you have the ability to add new constants or keys. For example, if you want to introduce a new message or instruction on the page, you can click the Add button, define a new key, specify the content, and assign it to the relevant page of the platform. In this demo, we've explored the comprehensive tools available to admins in the LearntoBank platform. I hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of how to navigate and use these admin tools to streamline your management of the platform. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing how you enhance the LearntoBank experience for your users.